The acting National Commissioner of the South African Police Service, SAPS, Lieutenant General Puleng Dimpane, has directed the Northwest Acting Provincial Commissioner, Major General Rhino Naidu, to ensure maximum resources are deployed to hunt down the killers of a vocal Mahikeng-born crime activist and traditional healer, Mr. Thato Molosankwe. According to Northwest Police, Mr. Molosankwe was shot and killed after he was attacked at his home in Lomanyaneng village, Mahikeng, in the early hours of this morning. He sustained multiple gunshot wounds. Lieutenant General Dimpane has strongly condemned the brutal murder and assured the community that no stone will be left unturned until those responsible are found and brought to book. Mr. Molosankwe has been described by local police as a community-minded individual who played an important role in assisting police efforts aimed at fighting crime and corruption, as well as strengthening relations between the SAPS and communities. The Provincial Murder and Robbery Unit has taken over investigations into the matter. Police are appealing to anyone with information that may assist investigation to contact the Crime Stop number. Bancane kakhulu abantu la emhlabeni okungathiwa uma bebulewe bese uzwa kuthiwa kunombiko ovela ku-National Commissioner othi akutholakala ababulali balowo muntu loyo. Kwenziwe sure ukuthi kuphuma maximum resources ngoba kufanele kubanjwe abantu ababulele lowo muntu. Lokho nje kukodwa ufuna ukukutshela ukuthi lo muntu okukhulunywa ngaye uneqhaza elikhulu noma uyinto ethize emphakathini. Ngakho-ke mangifunda le story ngilibona lolu daba ngeke ngakhathazeka ngoba ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi ngubani lo okukhulunywa ngaye futhi udume ngani uma edumile. Uma ngibheka ngadibana nama-video wakhe ambalwa, ngicela ubone la.
Okay, ke go suggest ne gona le go settings ya go chadi go tropo mo pele ga gata ne ke kopa go la bokae today Monday ke re kopa gore by next week Tuesday re kopane da next week Tuesday re kopane ko ka 10 o'clock wa bona ka 10 o'clock wait why gola na re tlo go kwala hope wait why those who are going to come ke bone batho ba ile gore ya to release ra so from there up to sana re ko di nyengwe re nna le di committee subcommittees tse ile gore di tla implement a program e ile gore teletse pele ke re mola.
This is not a one-man show, please. This is not a one-man show. The social media presence in Selidira.
Dumelang Bakhetho. Just a quick one, Bakhetho ne. Bakhetho, I fully agree with local economy. We need to reclaim our economy. I agree with that one. Wabon. And then I'm a Pan-Africanist, but we're not Pan-Africanist. We are Pan-Africanist, but we do not have a solution to undocumented non-South Africans. Every person that lives in South Africa must be documented. I am documented. And then we must follow the laws of running businesses like Tumo Molawa is raising as a chairman, local business or business in general. The thing is, government knows they are not doing that because they want me and you and to focus on each other as Africans. Unfortunately, I can't speak against fellow black brothers, fellow African brothers, but I can confront them on documentation issues and business compliance like Tumo is doing. But what we need to do, we need to come together as Africans, Zimbabweans, Mozambicans, everybody African. We must respect the laws of South Africa and come together and reclaim Lehatela South Africa and take the land and minerals. Yeah. Bakhetho, dumelang. La bona re respect the shutdown ne. Ha re bereke today. Harabula, retreat the gate. Yeah, shut down. Lawan hararekisi metsi today. Le metsi hararekisi metsi today. You don't sell water today. Yeah, we are shutting down. Let's go lebala re kopana go khoto Mmabatho Magistrate Court ka 8 o'clock. La bona ra ga di shop ba getse la bona shop number 1, shop number 2, rena le shop number 3. Ne? Yeah, we are serious ka a local economy. We are running our businesses now. Yeah, shut down ra respecta a re kopane Magistrate Court free to Momolawa a re tloteng shut down ba getso ke shut down gompieno tanko. Hey, Brigadier, here they are with their guns. Brigadier. Aye. Hey, Brigadier, here they are with their guns. Manje usibizana abantu wena. Sihlala sonke sihlala usibizana abantu wena. Hayi wena uthatha ama chance wena. I'm shooting you. Uzontshellani wena? Lizontshellani lo? Lizontshellani? Fuck off. Unamanga. Ungeke litshele. Angeke litshele ngini. Fuck off ngina. Fuck off. Bayanyala abantu. Futhek ngina. Ngithi futhek ngina. Ngeke litshele ngini.
Ngoba ubona ukuthi umuntu active kakhulu emphakathini bebehlela umhlangano ngolwesibili la ngomhla ka26 balwa nabantu bokufika bangekho emthethweni noma esho ukuthi i-Pan Africanist kodwa abantu ababela eSouth Africa ngekho semthethweni umbona involve endabeni zamateksi wabonile nakuma shop intweni ezinjalo umuntu active kakhulu emphakathini kodwa uma ngisabheka ngaye ngeke ngathola nokuthi futhi engakho bathe uyi-activist ngeke ngathola ukuthi umuntu obelwa kakhulu nodaba lwama drugs endaweni ahlala kuyo kubantu kabangasazi isitswana okanye isisuthu ngicela ukunitshela nje angeke ngentolikele ukuthi kuthiwani sesifikile isikhathi manje sokuthi nani nifunda ama language abanye abantu ngicela uzwe la.
I think mara gape le bone ditsotsi di a ipotsa dipotso a da mana le go tshepile wa bona ya so ba ipotsa dipotso gore o tshepile eng entle ke wa bona ke eng wa da mana khona gore go temang o tswitse o tshwere bo ke molatela nna ke le one wa bona ke mona ke reng feta re gane eng re gore ke go late o le one wa bona so wa ipotsa gore entle ke wa da mane ale so a me khona le video ene trend last time bonya ope ba le more than 50 ba ntshitse di okapi botlela around me wa bona you tla bona that video wa bona ele gore ke ne ke a go balwantsha go reng ke re I mean we have a police station next to us then you have a drug flea market so then I made people aware of this and then get travel campaign our people come let us deal with this thing because batho ba tshwara dipo mo you know batho ba tlhabiwa dikoloi tsa batho di a robiwa because of that flea market so a day before the drug pushers ke a ba rekela all those boys the drugs ba ba ha tsone for free gore re emela molosangwe ka moso wa bona yeah I was tipped off but I went ke le one and normally ke tsama ke le one I do things alone wherever you'll see me alone wa bona yeah I went there and then hwatlakatlakana hwalowa wa bona but none of them here was brave enough wa bona go ntlaba wa bona but I told them wa bona and then there's a video there then I had a caravan dijo mo wa bona they destroyed it but I told them whatever fit little ho so one by one and indeed wa bona they died I mean they died wa bona and these things are dangerous Hona le nna ke gole ke dlala madaese gape wa bona I saw that Thato was a smooth person and what. No, the only addiction that nearly destroyed me in my life it's gambling.
Sure.
Wa bona ke yone e leng gore ke tswele ko university ke jele madi a Southco ke ba biditse ka letaese ba njele madi a Southco membership wa bona. Yeah, then I left. Wa bona le bo Joburg when I went to Joburg. You see, gambling is something that will always follow you. It's like drugs. If you don't address and solve it, it will haunt you. You can't run away from it. You, especially madice. So abantu go le ke dlala madice too much. So botsotsi dunyana tseo street wise ke sharp, boardroom wise ke sharp wa bona ya. So gona tsotsi ka mpolella wa bona. So yeah, that's how things unfolded. And then there's this other guy. There's a video in it trenda go Gold View. About out ngwana e rekisa di drugs.
Sure.
So ilene ibokote I think o tshwere ngwana wa 13 years wa le khalate. Yeah, wa ipopola that sharp. Then I recruited ibo ke molata ra imane wa bona. Kante di mani o ha ke moitse. Wa bona mare kante ke a moitse mare issue ya di drugs gore ke ena dio tse ke bua ka tsona di dira ke sa itse mare ke o theke khona go gamble le ene madaise ke re mna mang ga e choko re mna fe 100 clipara wa bona wa bona mare to my surprise this guy had guns wa bona kona bloma go teng but that man ha isa ba tsamae a re fetent like di ntshang wa bona wa bona but ke ne ka molata. So much later ba fetsa go ntshenyetsa ba last time ba irang and the same guy ara singanga o sa bala ntjaka wa bona ska wa re malate ya gore malate ba di drugs ba tlhaloganya ntwa ya ka wa bona ke bala ke re ba feto nna ke di step le dio tsa nyena tsa bo di drugs mara di sharp. There was a time ke bua le bone ke na le meeting le bone botle wa bona bo ba tswa mo tropong ba go rekisetsa wa ba the thing yang go ne yang humble la feto wa bona gore di tsotsi braya batho ba tlhabanang daylight ba thunyanang wa bona ba khonne go nretsa ke ha ba tswa mo taone ba go rekisa go se kgwele wa bona. So dio tse dingwe ke matla ba dimo le modimo wa ntlhaloganya so sharp mare ba boela jutu go sekhweng kwa mapodisi na khona go ba pinyella wa bona then they said I singanga mfethu wa bona gona se re ka se dira malaita re tla bua le bone ba tlole go tshwara batho dipogo eng dio tse di yalo but not exactly can control over anything wa bona. So the same guy ke ona bolaya ba bangwe ba di drugs ba ona ba bolaya I think ba di 3 or 4 ona ba bolaya wa bona ka dipanga eng wa bona ya no bo ba go revenge wa bona bo ba mmolaya wa bona le ba mmata ba ga bone ba botle ba di drug pushers bane ba bo ba bolana ile revenge avenge wa bona just like that. So ke sone ke issue ya go na brave braya ka ya go confront a monster because you can't just fold your arms. The drugs people are relaxed, people don't care actually and emana drugs di tla kraya ngwana gago braya wa bona di tlo thola ncuzi ya gago your child
I think
your cousin
we are confronting a monster and the number one monster that we need to confront is ourselves. What the drugs di ka fitlhela bana ba gago. I think the real cowards they are people who are not willing to put up a fight. Maro ona le ngwana wa sokodisa mo tlong sokodisa ka nyaope. But when you try to stand up and uplift the community motho tsana mo Facebook are ye wena
ngoba umuzwake la umuntu obelwa kakhulu nodaba lwama drugs ube active emphakathini njengoba kuthiwe ubesebenza namaphoyisa ube iCPF. iCPF ke la kuthiwa Community Policing Forum. Lento ayenza yile efunwa ngamaphoyisa ukuthi akube khona ukubambisana phakathi komphakathi kanye namaphoyisa. Uma kunento wrong eyenzekayo emphakathini umphakathi ukwazi ukuyibikela amaphoyisa. Ngakho-ke kufuneka kuqala ukube khona ukwethembana, njengoba esho ethi yena uyazifikela nakubo laba abadayisa yona lento wona lama-drugs bekabalanda babalile-ke nalaba abekalanda ayidlala nabo idayisi. Ngakho-ke kufanele-ke u-National Commissioner, Acting National Commissioner akhulume kanje, ngoba kukhulunywa ngomuntu obewulekelela umphakathi, obewalekelela futhi amaphoyisa. Ngakho bengizibuza azubani lo. Asithathe udaba lokugcina bese siyayivala ivideo. 16 illegal foreigners engaging in illegal mining in Brits arrested following a shootout after suspects opened fire at police and soldiers. Authorities confiscated a handgun, generators, and other tools used in illegal mining activities. This is part of the Operation Prosper targeting Zamazamas in the area, which has seen multiple prior operations. Nisho ukuthi ugovernment wethu akana-plan vele lokuthi aconvert le mine, ngoba bebengeke labantu bangene emayini uma kungekho abakuzuzayo noma abakuhlomulayo. Shuthi ugovernment wethu uhloko ukuthi eze neplan lokuthi athathe lama mine lawo awenza asebenze, kuqasheka abantu basebenze ngokusemthethweni, baligubhe leli golide, ngoba labantu laba bangena lapha emgodini kukhona abaphuma nakho, bebengeke bangene uma bengatholi lutho. Kulesimo esiphila kuso manje kule South Africa yethu ehluphekileyo, ngoba iSouth Africa manje unemployment rate about 12 million yabantu, about 12 million yabantu abasebenzi. Should government wethu akana plan nje lokuthi athi how do I convert this ngiyenze besemthethweni, uma kufanele akhipha ama license akawakhiphe ukuze abantu balimbe ngokusemthethweni igolide, kube nemali ekhona. Ngale kwalokho akunasixazululo vele. Wabuza uVuyo Zungu ukuthi kuminister yimaphi ama-solutions onawo ngalama mine, ngoba ukudeploywa kwamasosha it's a temporary intervention. Minister wakho wathi akana solution, wabala ezinye izitori eziningi, wagcina waphetha ngokuthi abana budget. Angifuni nje nokuthi ngize ngithi ngizofaka leyo video leyo la. Angibambe le video, ngicela ukuze ukuphala kwakho ukuthi wena ubona kanjani lo daba esixoxayo, kodwa ngale kwalokho mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.